Many people believe that since Tibet right now is occupied by the People's Republic of China, Tibetan language also might have something to do with Chinese language, but unfortunately that is not the case. Tibetan language came from India, and Tibetan Buddhism also came from India. We must have had the biggest transliteration house in the world in 8th century when we translated every available Sanskrit text into Tibetan on the advice of Shantarakshita, the Indian master who visited Tibet around that time. And we are very proud to say that we are a repository of important knowledge system which is relevant not only to the situation those days, but it's much more relevant today in the 21st century when we hoped or expected this world to be much more peaceful, but unfortunately it turned out to be the other way around. Therefore, the cultural influence of the Tibetans is also very important to bring in more peace and stability in the whole region.